What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're doing on the Roush. What we're gonna do is we're going to unfuck my suspension. Now, what do I mean by that? So, looks good, right? Car looks great, sits great, everything. The car is lowered on an H&R spring and has a Viking double adjustable shock. Now, quick story. When I first bought this car, or I should say when I started doing suspension work on it, I didn't know what I was doing. I was just buying stuff thinking, ooh, that works. Didn't work. So the Viking shocks I got, which will do fine, which I'm about to show you right now. It's a 3-inch drop on top of the 1-point-something drop that the H&R springs get, which is how you get this low of a ride. What we're gonna do today, and what I have today, is the Steeda drag springs, which will lift the car back up. I mean, how girthy that thing is. Look, it says my pinky. Got the Steeda drag springs for the rear, and I got the Stop the Hop kit, subframe supports, and the alignment, the subframe alignment, bushing stuff. That's the hardware. There it is. Here are the shims for it, and then there's the rest of it right there. So, all right, I got one out. I also had to drop the exhaust because it wasn't letting me drop the subframe where I wanted. So, but as you guys saw, I was actually able to get it out. I would suggest to move the ABS line out of the way, or the wheel speed sensor. I did move it out that way. I just took it off of the clips, put it back in. Did move it that way just so it doesn't get caught and ripped. So here is the new Steeda drag spring. So now, let's see. I mean, should be pretty simple to put back in. I did move the ABS line, so it should go in no problem. I just gotta grab the isolator real quick and put it back in here. I just gotta make sure it's nice and straight. That's it. I just gotta make sure it lines up with this bottom one down here, and we should be good. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Putting it in is a lot easier than I thought. Come to find out, the camera actually stopped recording right when I pulled it out. But I mean, it slid right in here, lined it up perfect with the bottom, put the top isolator up. I think it's time to jack this back up and align it. See if I can do this on this video right now. Let's see, just move this over just like that so it lines up. Make sure the bottom part is good. Let's see. Oh, easy. Oh, look at that. In. All right, so everything's back in, subframe in, shock is set in perfect. I have the front tower of the actual shock lined up. Got that side in. The only thing I got to do is put in these two little bolts that were right there. And then we can get started on the other side. So the other side, I'm just going to do a quick time lapse on everything. This side did take me a little longer since this is my first time actually doing this. So, yeah. But we're going to button everything up, go to the other side, do the same thing, and go from there. Alrighty, so this thing kicked my ass. Reason why I say that is because this bolt here, when I pulled it out, was stripped on the end. And I don't know why. And it wasn't good. And I struggled until we finally got it up. It wasn't going in all the way. Literally at the very end is when it would get caught up. Called a couple master techs I know and everything, and they told me what to do. Even talked to my dad. My dad gave me this option. And we just put a washer, an extra washer there, a few actually, just so it grabs a good bite on the subframe, so it is up. Am I proud of that? No. Is there a fix for it? Yes, but I don't have a lift to drop the whole subframe to fix that, but it worked. It's on. We're good. Bushings are in. The sleeves are in. New springs are in. So now it's time to put the tire on and go from there, because this thing kicked my ass and we still have to do the subframe mounts, supports, things. Which those don't look like they'll take that long, in all honesty. And I also got to put my exhaust back on. So, yeah, let's get to it. How much more time do you think you guys got? One of these Harbor Freight jack stands. I think I got much. They've been on here all day, just so you know. They're pretty good. Alright, let's go back to it. So it is back on the ground. It looks like it's way more higher, which I'm happy about. Now, suspension hasn't fully settled. I gotta go test drive it right now and I put all this away. But it looks like it does have more of that rake look. But in all honesty, we'll see how it is in the morning. All right. Now, you see she is loaded up on a trailer now. Now, why, you may ask? Well, gonna be a week tomorrow that I finished stop the hop kit, everything, right? Springs, all that. Well, on my way home Monday, because I was test driving it and that was my first time doing a very hard pull, went from first to second. As soon as I grabbed second, the car was spinning, don't get me wrong, no wheel hop at all. And then grab second, I'm going, next thing I know, I hear a loud pop. Car pretty much neutralized and no power. First I thought I broke the transmission, but didn't break transmission, obviously. So I had enough momentum just to coast it home because I was down the street, and went out of the car and noticed I broke a CV axle, which I got a video of it right here. Yep, broke right there. Let me see if I can move it.
You want duct tape?
Duct tape, JB Weld?
Yeah.
There it is. So yeah, got some GT350 axles for it. Gonna do an install video on that tomorrow. So this video's gonna go up, and then the axle video will go up, and then I'll do pulls on that and see if it snaps those. Shouldn't. The GT350 axle, so should be all good. But that's gonna finish up today's video. Now, if you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so anytime we upload, you guys will know. Now remember, guys, don't stop, keep going. I'll see you on the next one.